also waw with a sukoon. Let's go check a couple of other waw with a sukoon. And this is another waw with a sukoon. Let me also highlight that one. Okay, so that's a waw with a sukoon. Let's go highlight ya with a sukoon. So these are the ya with a sukoon. And we know the ya can hide like this, right? With two dots down. Sometimes you can put the dots. Let's put the dots. And sometimes the dots won't be there, but you'll know that this is letter ya. So let me put the two dots here so that we know that this is how a ya can hide. The ya can hide like that. Okay, let's go. Let's get some more. And here, if you see, the ya is in its real form. Okay, it's not hiding. It's in the ya form. Whenever the ya is at the end of the chunk of letter, it comes in its own real form. Okay, so there's one more. Okay, I think we've got all of them. Okay, let's go ahead and do them. Help me, Ashley. Okay, now our rule, sukoon grabs the letter under it and the letter behind it. So let's go do everywhere. Sukoon grabs the letter under it and the letter behind it. Sukoon grabs the letter under it and the letter behind it. Okay, so and here everywhere, sukoon grabs the letter under it and the letter behind it. We are saying it behind because we know that this is how when we read like this. So if you're reading like this is ya with sukoon, sheen is behind the ya. Okay, here also. So sukoon grabs the letter under it and the letter behind it. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Ashley. This is ooh, fa with the dhamma.
Foo.
Wa with the sukoon. Ooh, put them together.
Foo.
Excellent. Foo and ooh, put them together. Foo. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Fatima. Fatima, this is ooh, qaf with the dhamma.
Foo.
Wa with the sukoon. Ooh, cool. And
Ooh.
put them together.
Ooh.
Excellent. Cool. And ooh, put them together. Ooh. That's now we've learned a way how to make the sounds go like double the length. This is E. Help me, Ashley. This is E. Dal with the kasra.
D.
And ya with sukoon. E. D. And E. Put them together.
D.
Excellent. D. So initially it was D, but now add ya with the sukoon with it. Now this is like a vowel. And now the sound goes double long. D. Okay, help me, Fatima. This is ooh, kaf with the dhamma.
Ooh.
And waw with the sukoon is ooh. Put them
Ooh.
together.
Ooh.
Excellent. Cool. Okay, help me, Ashley. Let's go. Let's go here. Now we are here on the last line. Help me, Ashley. This is sheen with the fatha.
Uh, Sha.
Excellent. And ya with the sukoon is e. Sha and e. Put them together.
Shay.
Excellent. So every time it's not going to go foo, she, it can also go like shy, fau. And so that's also depends what letter you have on your first, what symbol you have on your first letter. Shy. Okay, so cool. And this one is the, this one is ku, and this one is going to be ni and e. Put them together. Ni. Okay, this one looks a little tricky. So this is the letter that puts its head down is letter Ain's twin. This is Ain. The one with the dot is Ghain. This is Ghain with the fattah Gha. Ya with the sukoon is E. Gha and Gha and E. Put them together. Ghai. Can you say that for me, Ashley? Ghai.
I.
Yeah, gargling sound, right? Fatima.
I.
Yes, Fatima, can you say it? Ghai.
Hi. It's hi.
Yes,
Hi.
ghai.
Hi.
That's correct.
Hi.
Ghai. And go ahead, girls, you can also take a screenshot of this. Sometimes screenshots are also good, and you can practice how are these different sounds coming out. What is the ya with the sukoon doing? So this is a place where people make a mistake, but inshallah, you people are not going to make a mistake because we are doing it, we can visually also see that, and we can just make out, if ya with the sukoon sounds like E, and inshallah wow with the sukoon sounds like E, then you wouldn't be doing that. Inshallah, all is good. Okay, I'm gonna make this a little darker also. Wow with the sukoon. Now let's go and do some other stuff. So now we know something. That sukoon acts very different on the vowels. And what are the vowels? In Arabic, the vowels are ya with the ya, but it has a sukoon, needs to have a sukoon on it. Ya with a sukoon, wow with a sukoon, and also hamza with a sukoon. Okay, so these are the three areas when these three letters get a sukoon, different things happen. Okay, the sukoon is not it's not sukoon does not remain like the phonic sound. It does something different. I'm only going to tell you what this is. Okay, you can watch the recorded video and you'll see. Whenever a sukoon comes on a hamza, the hamza becomes a hopping hamza. Okay, this is a term I have come up with this term myself. So don't tell in front of anybody, don't say hopping hamza. Okay, so this is the hamza act like a hopping hamza, and it's when inshallah when you do this next time, the hopping hamza is going to be making the other letter hop, like that. For example, if you have uh, ba with the kasra b and hopping hamza with it, it's going to be b. Okay, so literally b, t, c. So whenever a hopping hamza comes with some letter, it's going to make the letter hop. Okay, so for now, this much introduction is good enough. Sukoon does something very different with ya, letter wow, letter hamza. We already know ya with the sukoon, wa with the sukoon. Hamza with the sukoon, we will do it inshallah in our next video. Okay, now time to do a little bit of practice. Okay, let's go. Okay, help me, Ashley. This is wow with the fatah.
Wa.
Should it take the alif, or should it take the letter, or shall it take the letter with the sukoon?
All the way to the letter with the sukoon.
Yes, it's more powerful. Okay, that's why. Go ahead. Wow with the fatah, wa. Lam with the sukoon. Put them together.
Wal.
Excellent. Wal. Notice something. I'm even going to make it a little bigger. Okay, let's notice something. Wal. Wow with the fatah, wa. Lam with the sukoon. Wal. Notice something. Lam is taken. Lam is gone. Now, wal. Now we are going to go to the next one. Help me, Ashley. What is this? This is like good job. It's a slanted one, right? This is and again, I'm not going to call it alif, okay? Because it has a fatha. When the sound is short, I do not call it alif, okay? It is not alif. Alif can only be, can make a sound go longer. Swat with the fatha, saw. Add the alif, saw. Okay, that's an alif. So short sounds are not alif. It's basically a hamza. Okay. Yes, it's basically a hamza. And we'll practice more short sounds are hamza. Is alif. E, O is hamza. Okay, let's go. Ashley, help. This is and ra with the sukoon. Put them together. And
Ar.
Wal. Help me, Fatima. This is E. What with the kasra?
We.
Yes, this is E. What with the kasra?
D.
Excellent. I'm kind of making my mouth heavy. Good job.
D.
Wal
D.
ardi. Wal ardi. Can you say this in the whole thing, Fatma, for me? Wal ardi.
D.
Good job.
D. Okay.
Very nice. One fun fact for us, okay? Ard. If I make a stop here, ard. You know what ard in Arabic means? It means earth. Earth. So ard.
Earth.
Yeah. So in Arabic, ard is the earth. Okay. And it's kind of similar, right? Ard. Okay. Okay. Wal. Ardi. Okay, let's go here. Help me, Ashley. This is Ashley, is this lam? Is this alif? What is this?
That's lam.
Yes, it's turning the lam side. This is lam with the fatah, la. Mim with the sukoon. Put them together.
Lam.
Excellent. Okay, good job. Okay, help me, Ashley. This is kaf with the dhamma. Okay, how do I know it's kaf? It's that birdie of the kaf.
The big
Help
bird.
help me, Fatima. This is, oh, kaf with the dhamma.
Who?
Noon with the sukoon. Put them together.
So it's who?
Kun, yes, ku and put them together. Kun, excellent. Help me, Ashley. Wow, with the fatta.
Wa.
This is ooh. Ha with the dhamma.
Ooh.
This is ooh. Ha with the dhamma.
Who?
Excellent. Wa, who. Wow with the fatta.
Wa.
Wa, who, wa. How is it?
Wahua.
Good job. Fatima, what is it?
Wahua.
Excellent. Wa, who.
Wahua.
Yes, see how
Okay.
short I'm keeping it because we have, if there was an alif, it would have gone long. But no, when it's short, our sounds should be very short. There is variation in when we're reading, very short sounds, long sounds, heavy, light, sizzling, all these sounds. Wah, hoo, wah. Okay, how about if I read for you from here to here, okay? And when I read for you, you will be knowing a lot of things in this. Okay, and notice where I go along with when the alif will come, I will go along. Okay, otherwise, short sound fatta, dhamma, kasra, I will remain short. Some things you won't know. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Sahibatun wa khalaqa kulla shay'in wa huwa. Okay, so these twin things, you don't know about them yet. You don't know about this one yet, maybe a little. Okay, I'm going to go here, okay? Notice you know something here. What do you know here? This is ooh, ha with long dhamma. Ooh. So these orange ones, you already know these orange ones. This is ooh, ha with long dhamma. Ooh. Okay, you know them. The one that I'm going to make a red, you do not know that yet, but very soon, inshallah. Okay, so you do not know this area yet. The other area, you know everything else, mashallah. Okay, let's go. I am going to read this area for you, inshallah. Once you're looking at the recordings, you are going to practice. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Yakunu. Notice my ku went long, and you know why. Yakunu lahu wala wa lam takun who, I'm going to read it again. يكون له ولد ولم تكن له. Okay. So Ashley, do you agree? You know everything. Maybe you don't know the red areas, but you know everything else. Do you agree, Ashley?
Sure. Yes.
Yeah, mashallah. Okay. So now you know these areas. Fatima, did you find anything difficult in this line? You will have to practice.
No, not necessarily. Just the things that we don't know yet.
Yes, yes, the things we don't know yet. Okay. Otherwise, mashallah. I'm going to read this line for you, and I'm reciting for you so that you people can watch the recordings and just see how much you know. Sahibatun. You don't know this yet. Wa khalaqa. Notice my sounds are short. Wa khalaqa. I'm trying my best to keep the kha in the throat. The qa is heavy, deep inside in the mouth. Wa khalaqa kulla shay'in wa huwa. Notice my sheen is very sizzling. Shh. Okay. Little bit more practice, 1 or 2 minutes, and we are done. Okay, long fathas. Let's go. Let's go. Ashley, this is meme with long fatha.
Ma.
Excellent. Help me, Fatima. This is wa with long fatha.
Wa.
Excellent. Very tricky. A lot of my students like to call it za. It's not za. Za can never hide from its end tip, can never join with its end tip. This must be letter noon, a very tricky noon. Okay, help me, Ashley. This is noon with long fatha.
Na.
Excellent. Good job. I'm looking at all the long fathas. Let's help me, Fatima. This is ooh, ha with long dhamma.
U.
Excellent. Okay. Okay, mashallah. So we are good with the sukoon. We are good with the long fatah, long kasra, and long dhamma. This is a long dhamma. It's kind of inverted. Okay, mashallah. So this is it. This week you only have to practice the things we did, the advanced levels of sukoon we did, sukoon level 1, 2, 3. You have to practice those and just keep looking at the way I recite, and see if you understand everything. Okay, mashallah, jazakillah, everybody. Everybody's doing very good, mashallah. Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum.